There are hundreds of bread makers on the market right now. Some of them are genuinely excellent. Some of them are overpriced for what they offer. And some of them, honestly, are a complete waste of money. So today, I've done the work for you. I tested and researched the most popular bread makers available right now, and I'm ranking the top 5, from solid budget options all the way up to premium machines, so you know exactly which one is actually worth your money. And here's what makes this list different from other review videos. I'm not just reading off spec sheets. I'm telling you how these machines actually perform in a real kitchen. The texture of the bread, the consistency, the ease of use, the stuff that actually matters when you're standing in your kitchen at 7 a.m. waiting for breakfast. Stay until the end, because the number 1 pick might genuinely surprise you. Let's get into it. Number 5. KBS Pro Bread Maker, the budget alternative. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the KBS Pro. Now, the KBS Pro shows up a lot in budget bread maker conversations, and honestly, it's not a bad machine, but it's not a great one either, which is why it lands at number 5. What it gets right. The KBS Pro offers 19 baking programs, which is competitive for the price. The build quality is decent, stainless steel exterior, reasonable weight, and the results on basic white bread are acceptable. Nothing that'll blow you away, but it gets the job done. Where it falls short, consistency. That's the word that kept coming up during testing. You can get a great loaf one day and an under-risen, slightly gummy loaf the next. Same recipe, same settings. For a bread maker, that's a real problem. The whole point of a machine is that it removes the guesswork. If the results are unpredictable, you've lost the main advantage. The crust control is also weaker than competitors at this price point. The dark crust setting doesn't get as dark as you'd want, and light can sometimes be almost pale. Bread quality, 6.5 out of 10. Consistency, 6 out of 10. Value, 7 out of 10. Best for someone on an extremely tight budget who just wants to try bread making for the first time before committing to a better machine. Bottom line, it works, but at a similar price you can do significantly better, which brings us to number 4. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 29882. The bare minimum done right. Coming in at number 4, the Hamilton Beach 29882. Hamilton Beach is a brand that's been around for decades, and you can feel that reliability in this machine. It doesn't try to do everything. It tries to do the basics, and it does them well. What it gets right. The Hamilton Beach is extremely easy to use. The interface is straightforward, the preset programs are intuitive, and the cleanup is simple. For someone who is completely new to bread making and just wants a reliable, no-stress experience, this machine delivers that. The bread quality on basic white and whole wheat is solid. Consistent rise, good crust, soft interior. You're not getting artisan-level results, but you're getting dependable homemade bread without any drama. It also tends to be one of the more affordable options on the market, so if budget is the main concern, this is worth considering. Where it falls short, limited programs. Compared to the Naretva's 20 programs or the KBS's 19, the Hamilton Beach feels restrictive. There's no jam setting. The gluten-free program exists but isn't great. And the loaf capacity is smaller, which matters if you're feeding a family. It also just feels a bit basic, which is fine if basic is all you need. But if you want any flexibility in what you're baking, you'll quickly feel the limitations. Bread quality, 7.5 out of 10. Consistency, 8 out of 10. Value, 7.5 out of 10. Best for first-time bread makers who want simple, reliable results without a learning curve. Not ideal for anyone who wants variety beyond standard white and wheat loaves. Number 3. Cuisinart CBK110, the solid mid-range. At number 3, the Cuisinart CBK110. Cuisinart is a trusted name in kitchen appliances, and the CBK110 reflects that reputation. This is a well-rounded machine that performs above its price point in most areas. What it gets right. The Cuisinart offers 12 pre-programmed menu options, not the most on this list, but they cover the important categories well. Where it stands out is in bake quality. The bread texture is noticeably better than the budget options. The crust develops more evenly, the interior crumb is more consistent, and the machine handles enriched doughs, things like sweetbreads and brioche-style loaves, better than cheaper competitors. The build quality is a step up too. It feels sturdier in hand, and the non-stick bread pan is more durable than what you'd find at a lower price point. There's also a gluten-free setting that actually works, a 1.5 or 2-pound loaf option, and 3 crust shade settings, so you have real control over the final product. Where it falls short: price. The Cuisinart sits in the mid-range, and while it earns most of that price tag, it doesn't quite justify the jump over the Naretva for most people. The bread quality improvement is real, but it's incremental, not dramatic. Also, no delay timer on some versions of this model, which is a genuine inconvenience if you like waking up to fresh bread. Bread quality, 8 out of 10. Consistency, 8.5 out of 10. Value, 7.5 out of 10. Best for home bakers who want reliably excellent bread and are willing to pay a bit more for a trusted brand name and better build quality. Skip it if you're on a tight budget. The gap in bread quality versus the number 1 pick doesn't justify the price difference for most people. Number 2. Zojirushi BB-PDC20 Virtuoso Plus, the premium champion. At number 2, the Zojirushi BB-PDC20 Virtuoso Plus. And look, if money were no object, this would be the number 1 pick. The Zojirushi is genuinely the best bread maker you can buy in terms of pure performance. It's Japanese engineered, built to last, and the bread it produces is exceptional. What it gets right? Everything, honestly. The Virtuoso Plus has dual heating elements, one on the bottom, one on the lid, which means the bread bakes more evenly than any other machine on this list. The crust develops beautifully on all sides. The interior crumb is soft, well-structured, and consistent. It handles whole wheat, gluten-free, and specialty doughs better than any other machine tested. The Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus setting even lets you customize fermentation time, which gives serious bakers real control over flavor development. The build quality is in a completely different league. This machine is designed to be used daily for years. The bread pan is robust, the controls are intuitive despite being feature-rich, and the overall experience feels premium in every way. Bread quality, 9.5 over 10. Consistency, 9.5 over 10. Value, 6.5 over 10. Where it falls short: the price. At around $350, the Zojirushi costs 4 to 5 times more than the Naretva. And when you put the bread side by side, yes, the Zojirushi is better. But is it 4 times better? For 90% of people? No. Unless you are a dedicated bread enthusiast who bakes every single day, notices every subtle texture difference, and is willing to invest in a machine that will last a decade, the price premium is hard to justify. Best for serious bread makers, frequent bakers, and anyone who wants the absolute best and has the budget to match. Skip it if you're new to bread making, baking occasionally, or watching your spending. The number 1 pick delivers 85% of this performance at 20% of the price. Number 1. Neretva 20-in-1, the best overall value, our top pick. And at number 1, the Neretva 20-in-1. Now, some of you might be thinking, how does a budget machine beat a premium Zojirushi for the top spot? Simple. This list isn't ranking machines by their ceiling. It's ranking them by real-world value for real people. And when you factor in performance, features, consistency, and price, the Neretva wins for the vast majority of home bakers. What it gets right. Where do you start? 20 preset programs, more than any other machine on this list. That means white bread, whole wheat, French bread, quick bread, sweet bread, gluten-free, dough-only, jam, cake, yogurt, and more. The variety alone puts it in a different category from most budget machines. The bread quality is genuinely impressive. A well-made Neretva loaf scores around 8 to 8.5 out of 10 consistently. That's not budget machine bread quality. That's legitimately good homemade bread. The crust comes out even, the interior is soft and well-risen, and it holds up across multiple bake cycles without dropping in consistency. The 13-hour delay timer is practical and reliable. Load your ingredients before bed, wake up to fresh bread. The 3 crust settings give you real control. The loaf size options, 1 pound, 1.5 pound, 2 pound, mean you can scale for your household. For a household going through even 3 or 4 loaves a week, this machine pays for itself within weeks, not months. Where it falls short. The kneading paddle leaves a hole in the bottom of the loaf. This is normal for all bread makers, not specific to Neretva, but worth knowing. The viewing window is small. The non-stick coating on the bread pan needs gentle care, no metal utensils. And if you are a daily, heavy-use baker who wants a machine to last 10+ years with zero compromise, you're looking at the Zojirushi, not this. Bread quality, 8.5 over 10. Consistency, 8.5 over 10. Value, 9.5 over 10. Best for first-time bread makers, budget-conscious households, anyone who wants variety, gluten-free, dough, jam, cake, without paying premium prices. People trying to cut their grocery bill on bread. Bottom line, the Neretva 20-in-1 is the smartest bread maker purchase for most people. It outperforms its price tag, delivers consistently good bread, and gives you more program variety than machines costing 2 or 3 times as much. If you only watch one section of this video, this is the one. So, that's the full top 5. If you're still not sure which one is right for you, drop your situation in the comments. Tell me your budget, how often you plan to bake, and how many people you're feeding, and I'll point you in the right direction. If this video saved you from spending money on the wrong machine, hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds, and it genuinely helps more people find this video. And if you want the full in-depth review of the Neretva on its own, with real bake tests across every program, that video is linked right here. Worth watching before you buy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.